Hello everyone. On the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm gonna talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm gonna talk about an interesting innovative idea called WordC from self-learning, developed by the innovative teachers of Chhattisgarh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is the enormous turnip from NCERT Class 5, Chapter 4. The subject is in English and the time duration for the activity is 20 minutes, but also depends on the strength of your class. The innovation is to provide a platform to express the understanding of particular concept on word in the student's own words, leading to enhancement of word power of the student for the lesson. The concept is to revise the vocabulary, helping verbs, adjective, complete stories based on the hints. For this activity, teacher needs to arrange a box, picture card of a glass of water, one colorful chart paper for wrapping box, 30 blank paper slips, tape and safety scissors. This activity can be done in two parts. First, building the concept while making a box for the implementation of the idea WordC. For this idea, enter the classroom with a waste box to initiate the discussion on the idea of WordC. Inform student that today they will be doing an activity called WordC in the class while using this box. Ask the following leading questions to build the idea of word C, like what's there in the picture. So a student can respond with water, a glass full of water. Then ask them leading questions like where have you seen more water than this. Then the possible responses can be at home, in bucket, tank, jug. Then ask them where have you seen even more water than above mentioned spaces. So the possible responses can be in river, pond, well, tank, sea. Then inform the student that the places where we find uh, a huge amount of water is called sea. Then ask them what do they understand by the word sea. Possible responses can be place where we find many words, sea of words, collection of word together. Inform the student that we will be using this box as word sea and will ask leading questions to initiate the activity. Then ask them what can be done with the box to make a box of word sea. They can respond with like we can decorate it and write it on word sea, put lots of words inside it. Then put colored papers and tape on the table and ask a student to wrap the box. Assist the student in wrapping the box and make it colorful and beautiful. Then write word C on the box and put it on your table. Ask the following questions to initiate the discussion on vocabulary, helping verbs, adjectives, and completing stories based on the hints. Encourage the student to use full sentences. Now we will put chits inside the box. What we'll have to do to put chits inside the box? So possible responses can be we will open the lid. Then ask them the following question: can we put the chits without taking off the lid? The possible responses can be no, we cannot do. Then ask them, do you know what the box is made of? Then possible responses can be cardboard. Do you know what cardboard is made of? Then possible responses can be trees. Then ask them to think and observe more words from the book and tell us about the position of the object. Then conclude by saying that today we will be doing an activity with this box word C in the classroom. For the revision of the concept, educator will place the box of word C on the table and inform the student that we will be doing an activity using this box. Educator will write 30 sight words from the lesson on the blackboard, then distribute blank paper slips among the student. Initiate the activity by giving following instructions to the student. Select one word from the blackboard, write that word on their slips, and fold your slip and put it in the box. Then ask the student to come in front and pick up one slip from the box. Then ask them to read aloud the word from the slip and make one sentence related to the word. For example, the word is enormous. Then the student will form a sentence like the Taj Mahal is enormous. If the students are unable to frame a sentence, then educator can help students to frame the sentence. Repeat this activity until all the students get the chance to come in front and tell their sentences. Appreciate students to use different sight words from their book and describe them. Conclude the activity by emphasizing on different words that came during the activity and ask them to explore more such words from the book. Through this innovative idea is the most simple and easy way to revise the concept in exciting way. It will boost the confidence of the student to present their views in front of others. It will help the student to critically think about words and communicate in a simple manner. As NCF 2005 firmly believes that every child comes with a pre-knowledge, thus this idea helps in gauging the pre-knowledge of the students. Core life skills that can be included are creative thinking, decision making, effective communication, and coping with stress. Values that can be touched upon are persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success, acceptance, having an objective or attitude towards other ideas and practice that differ from your own. Choosing words from poem and stories, writing them on sheets, picking up a slip and relating that word to the lesson would enhance the memory of the student. This activity will help specifically ADHD children in improving their attention span. This activity will help slow learners and learning disabilities to sharpen their memory by learning and doing. For this interesting innovative activity, that's all. I hope you like the video. If you want more interesting videos from us, then please like, share and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI. You can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you.